How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get started, go ahead to docs.google.com/forms and you shall be redirected here. Now, from this point forward, go ahead and hit blank form. And we're going to go ahead and start from the scratch. Now, the first thing that we want here is going to be their contact or personal information. And yep, I'm going to go ahead and title this one, by the way, exercise survey questionnaire, right? And then of course their first name. So I'm going to go ahead and ask that one. This is only optional but highly recommended. Make sure that it is required. Now, the reason why we're doing this one is because we want to be able to trace them. Or if you don't need it, you can just go ahead and delete this one. Now, say for example, you want to ask all the personal information here, you can definitely do it here. Now, I'm going to add another section, but this time it is going to be for the questionnaire. All right, now I'm going to click this to add a question, and then I have some questions here. For example, the first one, this, how many days per week do you engage in structured physical activity? So I'm going to put it here, and maybe we can also go ahead and state the sample here, just like so. And then you can go ahead and add options. So this is only 1 day. We're going to add all, and we're going to add 6 and 7. So 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and so on and so forth. Now make sure that it is required because you want them to be able to answer it. Now I'm going to add another, and this time it's going to be check boxes. I'm going to go ahead and add this question here. So what type of exercises or physical activity do you enjoy the most? I'm going to go ahead and put here, select all that applies. All right, and then you can go ahead and basically add these here. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead, So say for example, I'm going to add here cardio, and then strength training, Pilates or yoga, and then outdoor activities. And then you can also go ahead and put sports. And yep, after that one, I'm going to add one last thing, and I'm going to use the same thing. And there you go. So I've already done this one. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is just click the send button, and then click this, shorten the URL so that we can easily copy it. Click this, and then basically share this to another person. So I'm going to try and do that one, and I'm going to go ahead and put my name here. Click next. And that is how to create Google Form survey questionnaire.